In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Zelle on the Discover app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to get started and use Zelle in the Discover app, all that you have to do is find the Send Money with Zelle button. So, all that you have to do is first select the account where you are going to be making the transfer from, and immediately you will find the option to Send Money with Zelle. Once you tap Send Money with Zelle, as I've highlighted here, you will be able to use Zelle on the Discover app. Choose between sending money or requesting money, and after you do, you will be able to include the details about the recipient or individual that you are going to be either sending or requesting money from. So include their name, phone number, or email address, and as long as they are enrolled with Zelle on any bank issued within the United States, you will be able to find them and add them to the list of recipients registered on your Discover account. So enter the amount, and as long as you have the funds on the account you selected, you will be able to either send to complete the payment or request, and the person will be able to either receive or send you the money as necessary. Make sure that you include the amount and valid credentials about an individual. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, double check all of the credentials and make sure that they are registered or enrolled with Zelle on any bank. And as long as they are, you will be able to use Zelle on the Discover app to send or request money to anyone in your friends list, family, or contacts as necessary. Make sure to do this process through the app, and keep in mind that you can also find the option to send money with Zelle through the account center online on their website if you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Zelle on the Discover app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.